होप everyone is good. आप सब अच्छे होंगे. Uh, today today's topic will discuss about how we can save for emergency fund. So we have kept a topic of emergency fund, saving or emergency fund. आप लोग जिसको कहते हैं कितना आपने सेविंग किया फॉर फॉर योर फैमिली फॉर इंडिविजुअल, आप कितना सेविंग कर रहे हो और कैसे सेविंग कर सकते हो अपने फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी मेंटेन करने के लिए. So introduction में I will take you through what is the emergency fund generally. So emergency fund, it is a saving fund when how much you are saving going to save from uh, from salary you are getting, or whatever. If you're getting a pocket money also, are you saving certain amount of pocket money from that saving, that money you have receiving. So this is an emergency fund which is a saving account specifically set to aside to cover all those unexpected expenses like medical expense, you can say car repair, car maintenance, insurance, if you are getting a sudden job loss. For in that case, you should have some certain emergency fund which will be available with you, so that you are in peaceful situation when something happens. So what is the importance of having emergency fund? So it's very important that you should have emergency fund, because having an emergency fund provide financial security to you, so that you need not have to worry about what is going to come in future, and you will be totally prepared, and your mind will be in peaceful situation, and you will not face anxiety. And also, this will not allow you to take any high interest loan. So if you are if let's take, if you had a sudden accident happened, say, and which were unforeseen, right? And suddenly you need some money to pay the bills, hospital bills. In that case, you if you do not have that emergency fund with you, you will go for a loan. I know you can also reach out to the friends, and friends might, if friends are not coming back with that certain amount, they will you will definitely reach out to a bank, and any app based loan uh, provider where you will get the loan in the higher interest rate. So to stop taking that higher interest loan, credit card things, so in that case, it's very necessary to have so those emergency fund or saving fund. So how much you should save? So general recommendation, if I will consider from different financial experts, generally financial experts recommend us to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expense, so that if you are if you are if you do not have any jobs, or any emergencies with hospitalization, or any other issues with travel and all. So in that case, you should have a 3 to 6 month of expense. So let's take, if you have monthly expense of 30,000, so you can save up to 3 months, means you can save up to 90,000 per month, 90,000. If I go for higher side, it should be 1,80,000. So 6 month of salary, 6 month of expense, should you should have living expense you should have in your bank account. So what all factors which will uh, come into picture? Generally, factors will be job stability again, because if you do not have the stable job, then you will be always in the fear of losing jobs, and you'll not have, if you do not have that emergency fund, it will be risky to you and your family as well. So if you so I mean to say, if you think that your job is not secure, less secure, aim to have a higher end of this band, above band, which is 6 months of experience. And if you think that it is a stable job, at least you can think about lower band, which is 3 months of experience at least you should have in your bank account. So some of the factors I mentioned about the job security also, and also there is a factor which comes into picture most of the time, like dependents. So if you are having children's who is going to school, colleges, elderly parents who are regularly getting hospitalized, and their medical bills are going higher side, so you need to save more for your emergency purpose. You need to allocate more amount emergency fund, because you never know what is required for which is coming as a big amount, which will require for your elderly parents, or college fees, or whatever kind of activity fees for children. So that is also we need to think when you are saving for emergency fund. So, what are strategies to be built for the emergency fund? Generally, the strategies should be we need to automate our savings. So, generally, the saving automation means if you are a salaried person, you just automate your certain amount from your salary directly into another bank account, so that you do not have to touch that amount what is been transferred every month. So you can set a automatic setup in your bank account, or on every month, first of every month, you can automate that transfer, like example 5,000 or 10,000, you are transferring that into another bank, so that it will be on safe side. You can go for SIP in mutual fund also, but in that case, again, you need to think about liquidity, because most of the ELSS fund, or higher fund side, where the fund we have a blockage of 3 months time period. So you need to keep it for 3 years. Sorry, I mean to say 3 years. So you need to keep, after that only you can take out this money. So you can also keep into debt fund, where you can easily liquidate the amount. So apart from that, you can cut unnecessary expense also. I have explained this into my last video, which was totally into the financial, how you need to maintain financial topics, where discussed everything. So if you want to refer to that video, that is also that will be also helpful to you. But in this case, if I'll talk about unnecessary expense, means you need to identify and reduce the non-essential expenses. Like example, if you are spending like 10,000 or 10,000 is not I think, if I'll take an example of dining out. So if you're going out or dining out, and you are spending 2,000 per month, and then you can think of cutting down into 1,000, 2,000 to 1,000, so that 1,000 it can make you difference, and make that difference, and you can allocate that 1,000 rupees into emergency fund as well. Or you can also use the windfall method. What is the meaning of windfall method? Is like if you are getting unexpected money, like sometime, if you are filing a tax, you'll get some tax refund, bonuses, Diwali bonus, or any in corporates, if you are getting some incentive kind of things on for achieving the targets. So those amount you can take into consideration, and you can, or awards, whichever awards you are getting from different employers, you can allocate those into a uh, into emergency fund. You can utilize some, like if you are getting a POLE bonus of 20,000, you can spend 10,000 and keep 10,000 for emergency purpose as well. So this is how we should start saving our for emergency per se purpose. As a conclusion, I'll say that so emergency fund is very crucial to have our financial stability. So if you are stable, you can also handle unexpected expense without any stress. So you do not have to go to the bank for higher interest rate and all, etc. And also if you are having less stress, again your medical bills will also go down, so you need not have to be depressed or anxiety. You need not have to feel anxiety every time to see this is coming, and you do not have the emergency fund during that time. So I will encourage every viewer to start saving. Start a small amount only. That will think that it will be not very small to save. But if you start saving 500 rupees per month as well, it will make a big difference over time. So you can put that 500 rupees for SIP, and it might grow into a big amount. So this is the key is to just be consistent and commit on the saving part of saving thing. So that will make your a emergency fund a big amount, which will be helpful to your family and yourself as well. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friend, family, and colleagues, and please subscribe to my channel as well. I will come up with new good videos which will be helpful for your financial growth. Thank you for listening.